Hey guys, it's me Stace. I'm back today with another Cricut video. We're also doing our Making a Monday project, and today we're making this really simple card. It did say I miss you, I changed it out, I wrote I heart you, and then we have the inside as well. Let's go to the computer and we will get started. Alrighty, at the computer you want to go to design.cricut.com. You will see this screen. Enter in your email and your password. Click on sign in. On this page we're going to go down until we get to Cricut Access and then click on View All. In the search box in the upper right hand corner, we're going to type in the word miss and then click on enter. And the project we're making is the very first one. It is the I Miss You card. Going to click on that. It brings up a preview window. The very bottom, I'm going to click on customize. Now I am changing a few things with this card. So first we have the card base. We can set that piece aside. Then we have the card layers. Then we have the piece that goes behind the layers, this box here, and then we have the text. Now if you want to change out the wording, normally you're able to double click on the box and a text box comes up for you to change it. In this case you can't do that. To see what font they are using, you can go to the very top where it says I Miss You card, click on that. It's going to bring up that same preview window. If you go to the very bottom, you can see all the pieces that are used to make this card, and there's the text there. In this case, it is the font Fantastic Fonts DJ Groovy. So if you want to use that font, just go ahead and change that out. But I'm going to use a different phrase as well. So left-hand side toolbar, I'm going to click on the T for text, type in I heart you. Go ahead and have my text selected. The very top where the font is, I'm going to click on that. On the right-hand side of the search box, I'm going to click on Filter and go down and select Writing. Then go down and find the font I use. And you'll do the same thing. If you want to change out the wording and have it say Happy Anniversary, you can do that. And then just find that DJ Groovy font in this window here. But the font I'm using is called Brandon. So I'm going to go down and find that one. And you'll see the font change in a minute. There we go. I'm also going to change the size of this box. The very top toolbar, you'll see the text or the size window. I'm going to unlock the lock and change only the width. I'm making the width here be 3.5. I'm going to bring my text up and then just make that be smaller to fit inside that text box. Oh, there we go. All right, I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to take my left mouse button across both pieces, the box and the text. Right click on that and choose Attach. Now this will use the Cricut marker tool to draw on the box. We're going to delete the I Miss You part. Now this piece here is the very first layer of the card, but you can see it's rather small. When you layer these pieces on top, it only leaves a small little border. So I'll make this piece be a little bigger. So I'm going to line it up over here. And I'm going to go to my very top toolbar again where the text is, or the size. I'm going to unlock the lock, make the width here be 4 inches, and the height is going to be 5.25. Now when I bring this piece back over, we can see it gives us a much bigger border around the two of them. Now I do want two of these. I want one for the front of the card and also one for the inside of the card. So I'll just use my trimmer and cut those two pieces out. So I'll cut out one in a pink color and one white for the inside. So I can delete that piece there. Upper right hand corner, go ahead and click on Make It. You'll need a piece for your card base, a piece of whatever color you're using for the front. I'm using white. Then we have the white here. Then we have the piece for the gradient. Again, that does use the marker tool. Go ahead and click on Continue. I'm going to cut all these out, go to the table, and put our card together. Alright guys, here we are. Everything is cut out. We're first going to go ahead and score on that square mark, or crease on that square mark. Alright, now as I mentioned, I did go ahead and cut this piece out with my trimmer. This is 4 by 5 1/4, and the white piece as well. So we're first going to layer these guys up. We have the red piece. That's going to go behind the white piece, so the red shows through that. I'm taking some art glitter glue. I get this from MamieMadeIt.com and just going around the edges. And layer them two up. Now these two pieces are the same size. I'm just looking to see if I have any red peeking through. I don't. So we're good there. It'd be really pretty also to use some glittery cardstock behind that. All right, now we have this piece. Now if you'll see, I have much more pink showing in this one than I did this one. That's why I went and changed the size of that. So we're going to go ahead and glue this piece at the back. Very simple card, and very easy, like I said, to change out the text. If you want to just, make your own message, which I think is pretty nice. Let's get them two lined up. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and put this on the front of the card. And I did save the heart from the red layer. You can use that piece for the inside of the card. Okay, so we have the white piece. Again, this was 4 by 5 1/4. You probably could have cut the card base out yourself too. I didn't look and see what size that was. Alright, then we have the one heart. That's going to go right there. Then we have our little meshes. I'm going to pop that up. Let me grab some foam squares here. I think 3 is fine. Okay, give all them a squish. Take the backing off, and that quickly our card is done. So really simple card. And I made it smaller. They had it going all the way across. I didn't like that, so I made it smaller. And I'm putting mine on an angle versus having it straight across. I like that, the way that looks better. So there you have it, a very simple Make It on Monday project, guys. Really cute for Valentine's Day, great for anniversaries, great for just an everyday I love you card. Really cute. Any questions, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.